Okay, be honest, if you're watching this from work, I'm so sorry for you, this might sting a little. But just hide that spreadsheet and take a quick break with me. Welcome to Aliste, a gorgeous tiny village deep in the south of Italy. And today I'm showing you one of the villas of our collection so that you can see what a real slow Mediterranean getaway actually feels like. We're grabbing lunch straight from a private greenhouse and maybe surviving a beautiful Italian chaos in the local markets later on. Come on, let's go take a look. Depending on the week you decide to hide away here, this open greenhouse is basically your own personal pantry. These are tomatoes. They're still green, but they're getting their sweet time under the sun. Very Italian of them, right? Zucchine, cicorie, melanzane. You just pick what you want. Now, if you need a lunch idea, let me introduce you to a massive local obsession, la frisa sponsata, which literally translates to soaked bread. Back in the day, our grandparents used to dip them directly into the sea to soften them up. They actually even invented a gadget just to make this. Now, obviously, a lunch like this is strategically designed to get you back to the water as quickly as possible. Okay, just kidding, we're Italian. We take our digestion very seriously. So you have to wait at least 3 hours before swimming. Okay, now check this out. This headboard isn't something you can, order online. It's an authentic antique piece from the Salento region. These are the exact kind of details we look for. We really want that little piece of local soul to still be completely intact. In the past, this farmyard was used to collect and wet the grain from the local farmers. And in the evenings, it became a place where people would gather to spend some time together. The absolute perfect spot for those long summer nights, just hanging out under the stars. Or, maybe trying out the local Pizzica dance when absolutely no one is watching. Professional dancers, please don't come for me. Look, staying in your own little bubble all day is totally fair. But if you feel like getting some taste of real local life, the market is just around the corner. Have you ever been to a Moroccan souk? Okay, maybe it's not that intense, but it's kind of our South Italy version. Super colorful, a little bit chaotic, but everyone is wildly passionate about what they're selling.
Il pollo! Signori, ce l'abbiamo caldo caldo oggi, eh?
Rule number 1 of the Italian markets: never, and I say never, make eye contact with the Taralli guy. The first one is always free, and that's how they get you.
Produzione proprio, io le faccio, non tutti quelli grossi, guarda questo, guarda, se voi guardate le pezzi così, belle, e te le mangi con l'olio. No, no, quelle vengono con cime, medicine, queste sono belle a mangiare.
Questo mezzo con la patata lo faccio. Sì, questo no. A volta di più. Oggi ne ho fatto 10. Aia.
Quindi vedete, la mia si lavora un po' tutta.
Guardami.
Prendi questo con l'altra mano e mangialo questo. Buono, quello che abbiamo messo prima di questo.
A quick heads up before I go. Spend too much time here and you might start feeling like you never want to leave. If you're willing to take that risk, check the link below. Keep your standard high, your stress level low, and always make sure it's a Buena Onda.
Vai.